Yeah, we're going for a ride. We'll be back in 2 days. Yeah.
Where are you going?
3 hours later.
Fuck you and your space boots. Yeah, almost. That dude's staring at you. Yo, he looks so ridiculous on this thing. Yo, and he's like taller than me, dude. Yo, it looks so funny. I was like, it doesn't look super small when I rode up, and now seeing him on it, dude, yeah.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. Look at me, hands in the air like it's good to be alive. And I'm a famous rapper even when the paths are all crookedy. I can show you how to do-si-do, I can show you how to scratch a record. I can take apart the remote control, and I can almost put it back together. I can tie a knot in a cherry stem, I can tell you about Lee Ferguson. I know all the words to De Colores, and I'm proud to be an American. Me and my friends saw platypus, me and my friend made a comic book. Guess how long it took? I can't do anything that I want, cause look, I can keep rhythm with no metronome, no metronome, no metronome. I can see your face on the telephone, on the telephone, on the telephone. Look at me, just called to say that it's good to be alive. In such a small world, I'm all curled up with a book to read. I can make money, open up a thrift store, I can make a living of a magazine. I can design an engine 64 miles to a gallon of gasoline. I can make new antibiotics, I can make computers survive aquatic conditions. I know how to run a business, and I can make you want to buy a product. Movers, shakers, and producers, me and my friends understand the future. I see the strings that control the system. I can do anything with no assistance, cause I can lead a nation with a microphone, with a microphone, with a microphone. And I can split the atoms of a molecule, of a molecule, of a molecule.
Give you no break, not even your eyes, you're not give you no breaks. Well, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? know sometimes you wanna let go. Hey, 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 I know sometimes you wanna let go. Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Alright, just do me a favor, okay?
Sure, man.
Well, just slow down a little bit.
Absolutely.
Okay, because we receive calls from multiple locations. Oh, motorcycles, this motorcycle. I know you're just enjoying yourself.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's just be careful, okay?
Absolutely. Thanks,
Alright,
man.
so, no problem.
All right.